What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new passive income video. Today we're going to be showing and talking about Instagram bot sales proof. So essentially we're going to be showing you different screenshots of my personal businesses, or I wouldn't even call them businesses. I would just call them side projects, fun passive income side hustles is what I can call them, with a little bit of a screenshot proof. Now with that being said, we're going to answer some questions first, but before we do, let's talk about what you're actually going to see in the video from a sales proof standpoint. So we're going to be incorporating, I'm going to be showing you guys my best Redbubble account. I'm going to be talking about a side hustle business that I have just for fun, something very, very small. It's a logo business where you sell logos. And I have a lot of these little side passive income, side hustle, fun things that I like to do. The logo business is one of them. And then I'm going to show an example of affiliate marketing with two examples of how I use the Instagram bot for them. So if you guys are ready for this, I would have a request. Hit the video with a thumbs up. I never really ask for thumbs up, like ever, or even subscribe. I don't even ask for that either. So, you know, for the value that I'm going to be giving today, I would really appreciate if you guys hit the video with a thumbs up. Obviously, you don't have to, but it shows me what kind of videos you guys like to see. All right? And I think, honestly, for the past week, we've been knocking it out of the park. I made the commitment that I was going to post a video, 2 videos every single day, and we've been doing that. So we're not going to falter. We're going to keep going and pass out this value, all right? So before we actually show the screenshots, let's talk about the questions, because I don't want to give off the wrong impressions about the usage of Instagram bots. I don't want to turn this into some get-rich-quick fiasco. I don't want people to start thinking that, Instagram bots is like the next crypto, because it's not. Okay, I want to be very clear as to what it is, very honest, and very upfront. So let's go ahead and talk about it. The first question, let's answer the question. Were Instagram bots the sole cause of the sales? And the answer is it depends on the circumstance. But in general, no. Different platforms play by different rules. For example, Redbubble, you can make money off the Redbubble platform without using Instagram bots. For example, when somebody searches for a red t-shirt, you know what I mean? They're going to find different examples of red t-shirts. No factor in that play was an Instagram bot involved, but you could boost up your sales with Instagram bots. But that will be, like I said, different platforms play by different rules. You guys will see that as I explain it later. Okay? Are Instagram bots a magic pill? Once again, no. Instagram bots do help, obviously. But marketing skills are going to be the big, variable. And that's just one of the skills in amongst a series of skills. There's a lot of skills that you need in the world of business, in the world of marketing. Marketing is just one of the skills. And that's going to play a role depending on how good you are at marketing. The way I like to describe marketing is it's like playing football. You can't be just good at football by being strong. You have to be smart, you have to be strong, you have to be fast, you have to be all these different things, right? If you're just strong, you're not smart, you don't know what you're doing, you're going to get killed out there. It's the same way if you're smart but you're weak and you can't carry yourself, you're not strong enough, you're going to get killed out there. So you need a combination of things. And the best way I can describe Instagram bots is that, like, if you're a beginner, let's say you make $200 a month, from an Instagram bot, well, an intermediate might make double that, right? Maybe even $500. But an advanced person might make $1,500. And obviously, I'm just throwing out these numbers. I'm not saying that's the average, because I don't know about the average. I don't know what other people are doing. So there's no way I can calculate their average. The only way I could just show what I'm doing. Okay? The next thing, are Instagram bots easier to use? Well, let's talk about it. The raw truth is that, in all honesty, guys, it doesn't get easier than Instagram bots. Out of everything I've seen in marketing, in business, in making money online, and I've done just about every method out there that is legitimate, of course, that's real. We're not talking about doing surveys to make $5 off the internet. I'm not talking about that. I'm not talking about, taking some pills for a research study so you can make $10,000. I'm not talking about that either. I'm not talking about watching videos on YouTube by some sort of like reward system to give you points, and then you take those points and redeem it for Amazon money. I'm not talking about that either. I'm talking about legitimate passive income side businesses that give you real money, okay? it doesn't get easier than Instagram bots because it's literally just a few clicks. I mean, you guys may or may not have seen the tutorials. If you haven't, I recommend you do the decency for yourself to go back into the YouTube videos and look at different ways I used Instagram bots. But you guys know, igbots.org, the optimal bot, which is this tool right here for 119, it doesn't get easier. You literally just press a few clicks, a few buttons. If that's hard for people, I would say, I mean, I really don't know. I don't have a piece of advice for you if you think that's hard. I don't think anybody here thinks that's hard, but I just need to be very clear on what it is. followandfollowbots.com, excuse me. Same concept. Instagram bot, you set it up, you hit start. It's literally clicking a button. It does not get easier than that. If you think that there's something easier out there, you're probably looking for a scam. That's really what you're looking for. Instagram bots is very simple. Like I said, you use a tool, you promote yourself with the tool, and based on how you promote yourself, based on your content, based on who you interact with, just depends on your success level. That's really all it is. So why is it so easy? One word: versatility. You can use an Instagram bot to sell, as you guys will see, and we'll refer back to the topics of the video. You can use it to sell products on Redbubble. You can use it to create like a little side hustle and sell products on e-com or a digital file product business or whatever you want. You could do affiliate marketing with a IG bot. So that's kind of why it's so easy. Versatility. All right. Now, how has Instagram bots changed over the years? And this is probably one of the last questions, is that it's changed kind of drastically. In 2014 to 2017, it was so easy. I'm talking ridiculously easy to use an Instagram bot. And there were really no limitations on it. And those were what I called the golden era of Instagram bots, where we could do 1,000 follows a day and there wouldn't be any problems. That changed. By 2018 and 2019, Instagram realized that there were now millions of people using Instagram bots, and they wanted to slow that down. So what they did was they cut off the connection point, or most of the connection points, between the Instagram bot and the software, which in this case was referred to as the API. And at that point, guys, majority of the bots were used via API. That's essentially how it works. So Instagram cut that off because they saw Instagram botting was at an absolute peak. And you guys know, when anything takes on and there's a lot of people talking about it, you're going to have the people who are what I call the get-rich-quickers, who want to just simply get rich quick, don't want to do any effort, get into it, expecting some sort of results. Well, what happens is that by that time, Instagram, like I said, had made some changes, some serious changes to the platform, which stopped API bots from really functioning very well. And what happened was there were two groups of people within the Instagram botting community. There was a group of people who were, aka the get-rich-quickers, this is the beginners, the newbies, and they were essentially defaming Instagram bot usage, saying it's a scam, it's fake, it's too hard, it doesn't work, because they weren't used to, or they weren't aware of the success of the past, the golden age, right? And they got in at the wrong time, and they were scarred from it, okay? They were hurt by it. Later down the road, in late 2020, I think, and even till now, 2021 and 22 and beyond, Instagram bots that we're currently using do not use the API. So the one thing that Instagram cut off, we don't use that. At least I don't. I mean, there's some people that are out there working with API bots for certain reasons, which I'll probably make a different video in the future about. Definitely not for today's video, but I don't use, I mean, for the most part, I don't really use API bots anymore. That might change in the future for different reasons, but currently, it's been easier since that, and I don't really run into issues. Now, obviously, if you abuse the system, meaning, let's say you set up your bot to do 700 follows in one day. If you abuse the system, that's your fault. You're just asking for trouble, and you have to have some logic, some basic logic using it. So that's why I say, guys, do the decency, go back, and do the research. Look at old videos, look at the situations back in 2018, 2019 of what people were going through, and start educating yourself about the history of Instagram bots. All right. Now, Instagram has changed limitations, obviously, in today's world. Let's say you could get away with 200 follows a day, etc. You obviously won't be able to do that every day. And generally, guys, it depends on the Instagram account, of course. But you know, it's a vast difference from back in 2014 to today. Now, are Instagram bots bad to use? It just depends what Instagram bot you're using. If you're using an API bot, you can kiss your mental peace goodbye, because every hour you're going to have to deal with a new issue. If you're using the bots that I recommend, which is igbots.org or Follow and Follow bots, as long as you figure out how to use it, which is like 5 minutes for the first time that you use it, you're going to be good, okay? So what does that mean for the use of Instagram bots? It just simply means that there's going to be a window of opportunity here, guys. Just like crypto staking, just like crypto investing, just like getting in at the right time, everything has a window of opportunity, okay? Those windows can last for a short term or a long period of time. It could be a year, it could be 5 years, it could be 3 years. But there's only going to be two groups of people in windows of opportunity, and the options are binary. It's either you're in or you're out. And for me, I choose to be in. That's why I make these videos and kind of share my progress. In the future, I'm sure, you know, when it's the year 2030 and we're all much older, we're probably not going to be using Instagram bots. There's going to be something else that we're using. But, you know, for now, this is what I'm doing. So now let's get clear on what the video was topic about, which is the money. Now that all the questions are answered and out of the way. So let's go to the first example, the affiliate marketing example. So we have example number 1, example number 2. You can see here example number 1, we got 202 clicks, 17 actions. In payout, we have $239 coming our way. In sales, $1,400. This was all using one Instagram bot account, just one. The second one, this is a brand new one. It's been available for, I've been doing it for less than a week. And like I said, what I like to do is set up a virtual assistant on it. They get all set up. They know exactly what they're doing. And so far we got 44 clicks, which is kind of low for me. But it's been converting decently well. We're looking at 4.5%. This one was almost double. But $139 in sales. And for our revenue that we get to take home, $28 off of that. And this is affiliate, guys. This is not, you know, I don't own any of this stuff. This is affiliate. Okay, Redbubble. Okay, you guys know I have 3 stores that I actually use aside from the Stoic store. So the Stoic quote store, hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about if you've seen my last few videos on Redbubble. I created a brand new store in front of everybody, shared what the products were, shared all that stuff, got a sale within the first 18 hours. That store, I'm not including that one. I'm not talking about that one. That one is not mentioned. This is one of the 4 stores. One of the 3 stores, actually. The 4th store is the Stoic store. Like I said, I'm not including that one. That one is going to be focused on more in 2022, along with the other 9 stores that I decided to create during the 12-month period. You could see here with this, we earned like $6.5K. And you could see here when we started in December. We never started in November. I did take this screenshot today. You know, just to get out of the way. So you guys are seeing here the numbers. We were starting to do well in the very, very beginning. And then, and I think it was because we were just, you know, in December of last year, we got hit by that Q4. You know, we were in Q4. We got to touch a little bit of it. January, always good for every business. And then we hit like a low point here from February all the way to July. And June, by the way, guys, I was sweating. I thought something wrong was with the account. Something was wrong with the account. It was the lowest numbers ever we hit. I don't know if somebody else has this experience. Maybe it's the type of niche we're in. And I'm going to set up a whole Redbubble course. It's going to be a premium course, obviously. I'm going to set up a free one, honestly, and a paid one. The free one, everybody's going to get access to. And I'll call it like a beginner's course. The paid one is going to be obviously for advanced. And I'm just going to kind of show and explain how I do everything on there. But you guys could see here the numbers. The August was a phenomenal month. November, which was this month, was a phenomenal month on this specific Redbubble account. The other Redbubble accounts, I don't think they did this good. I mean, they did decent, but not this good. Obviously, I have some goals for Redbubble in the future. I want by 2023, or maybe even by next year, to have a total of 40K made from Redbubble, which would be pretty awesome. You know, to say that would be pretty cool. I mean, obviously everything is possible. There are people who make more than that in a single month on Merch by Amazon. But, you know, for me, Redbubble is going to be a different avenue that I'm getting into. So I just figured I'd share that. And so for 11 months of work, Aside from those bad months in the middle, which I kind of gave up on a little bit, I'll be honest. It's not bad. I can't really complain. Okay. Next thing is the logo business. This is an example of a smaller business. Here I took a picture of the Stripe sales. So you can see here on and off days, this is because of SEO. Okay, some days we don't get, some days we get, some days we don't, some days we do, because of SEO. When SEO puts us at the top, and they test, they go up and down in the testing. We're still a brand new website, I think like less than 3 months old. So we're getting a little bit of money here and there. The average consumer spend is $21, which is not bad. And yeah. So you guys are kind of seeing different examples of here. And now I'm going to talk about very briefly what we use for Instagram bots solely and what we didn't. The affiliates was just purely Instagram bots. There was no ads. There was no blogging for this one. Nothing of that sort. Okay. Redbubble. You guys know the game with Redbubble, how Redbubble works. If I drive traffic from the outside, Redbubble is still driving traffic and paying for ads. So, it's not all, the IG bots on that. And when I say IG bots, I'm not necessarily referring to igbots.org. I'm just saying Instagram bots in general. Okay. And then finally, the last one, when we're talking about the logo business, SEO with a little bit of IG bots. Can't really claim which is which. I haven't set up any tracking on it since the business is just so new, but I will be doing that soon. So just a few examples here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And once again, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. And like I said, guys, we're posting twice a day, all right? Twice a day till the end of the year. In the beginning, we try to do some Instagram bot type videos in the mornings, and then at nights, we like to do passive income of all sorts. It could be some partial Instagram, some could be blogging, some could be some other source that we may have not spoken about yet. With that being said, if you like this style, hit it with a thumbs up. Let me know. And, just for the sake of the video, just hit it with a thumbs up for today. All right? I don't ask for it too much. You guys know the deal. All right? I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. And peace out. Bye.